Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video we are talking about Wells Fargo Bank, and more specifically we're going to talk about how to view your statements or your banking statements on the Wells Fargo mobile app. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with Wells Fargo Bank, it is one of the largest banking institutions in the US. It might be the largest. I'm not sure. If you happen to know, be sure to leave me a comment below, let the rest of us know. And also, this is assuming that you've already downloaded the Wells Fargo banking app. If you have not downloaded it already, be sure to check the video description. I'll try to leave a link there. Or you can easily go to the App Store or Google Play and search for the Wells Fargo app. It's this red, white, and yellow one right here. I'm going to go ahead and click it right now. All right, I went ahead and opened up the app, and this is the home screen. It is asking me to enter my Touch ID, which I've already registered with the app. If you haven't done that already, you just want to easily add in your username and password, but I've already registered my Touch ID, so I'm going to go ahead and log in with that now. All right, I went ahead and logged in, and this is the home screen, and it's showing my accounts here on the home screen. I only have one account. This is a new account with Wells Fargo, so it's right there at the top. And what we're talking about is how to view your statements online. But first off, why would you want to look at your paper statements online? Well, that's a pretty easy question to answer, especially during tax time. A lot of times your CPA or accountant is going to want to see your bank statements over the past year, or possibly you're applying for a loan or bank loan, or maybe you're just simply looking for a specific transaction inside of your paper statements. And lastly, maybe you want to check the address that's noted on your paper bank statements. But how do you view those through the app? Well, it's pretty easy. What you want to do is go ahead and check the account that you are working in. If you have multiple accounts with Wells Fargo, then it's going to be listed here, here, and here. So just make sure that you're using the one that you're most interested in and not checking some other account that you happen to have with them. Once you've identified the account number that you're working in, what you want to do is click on this little icon right here on the right. It says 3 little dots, and it's going to open up another drop-down menu. So let me go ahead and click on there now. All right, I went ahead and clicked on that, and then this option screen pops up, and it says you can transfer money, deposit checks, send money, or view statements. So that's what we're looking for. I'm going to go ahead and click on that now. All right, I've went ahead and clicked on that, and then as you can see right here, this pop-up happens, and it shows the different statements and documents that you can pull from this part of the app. So if you need any tax documents, they will be located here. And also if you have any statements or disclosures, they will be located here. And then if you have not set this function up already, you will get this pop-up like I do since this is a new account. In order to view your savings or checking statements online, you have to update your delivery preferences. So let me go ahead and click on that now. All right, I went ahead and clicked on that. And then as you can see, by default, all statements and notices are sent through mail on the Wells Fargo app. If you want to switch them to online and be able to view them on your app, you do need to switch that online right here. I'm going to go ahead and click this blue button right here, which says switch all to online, and I'm clicking on it now. All right, next this pop-up happens. This is just to confirm your choice, so I'm going to go ahead and click save now. All right, now all of them are saved to online for my checking account, so that way I can view my statements online. I'm going to go ahead and click save right here on the bottom right. All right, now that that's been taken care of, let me go ahead and go back to the home screen. All right, here I am back on the home screen, and I'm just going to go through the same process again. Click on those 3 dots here, click on view statements here. All right, now I have access to my online statements and documents, but again, this is a new account, so as you can see right here, I don't have any current statements available to view, but once they are, then they will be located in here. And if you have multiple checking accounts or multiple savings accounts through Wells Fargo, you can use this toggle screen to choose different accounts that you're working in, and then also you can choose different time periods with this toggle screen right here, 2019, all the way back to 2012. So that is how you view your statements for Wells Fargo on the Wells Fargo banking app. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. But hopefully you found the video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.